Hi everyone, Monique here. Today we are going to be harvesting some carrots. We are going to use this wonderful little bowl and we are going to harvest some of the carrots because I'm pretty sure they're ready to go. So as you'll recall from some of my previous videos, I did my carrots in buckets. So here we go. And if you notice, they're starting to look a little bit haggard. So that's what's inspiring me to harvest them. Now, the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to do like a bucket a day. So you see today's goal is this bucket and we'll see what we get out of it. But I do have quite a few to do. And I did already do one and I replanted it with onions. We'll see how that works out. So, let's get started. There's one. I'll take it. It's a win. Here's one. That's a good one. I like that one. Another stunted one. Oh, look at that. That is a really good one. I need to have a bigger bowl, I think. Okay, so we'll just keep going. And this is just from a bucket. Look at that. Those are nice. Now, you're probably asking what kind of carrots these are, and honest, I couldn't tell you. I went and got some heirloom carrot seeds, and if I couldn't find those, I found organic carrot seeds. So it's what we've planted. So that's the pile of carrots I got. Some of them are really nice, some of them are super tiny. There's the empty pail. So now I'm gonna fill it with some more onions and I'm gonna shuffle all the carrots down and I'll do another pail tomorrow. Thanks for joining me while I harvested my carrots, and watch for more container gardening videos coming in the future. Have a great day. Bye now.